This is the tutorial for what a teacher will see when a student has submitted something through Google Assignments. So from your home screen, you will see the assignment that you're working with, and you can click on that. Once you do so, it will load with this Google Assignments, and you can see some of the features you selected. You can automatically see who's turned it in here, and then a little bit about the originality report. When you click on this, you can then click on the 2 flagged passages that are in this essay, and it will open this document so you can see the originality report. Once this loads, there's a few different features that pop up. So for the count here, there's 2 flagged passages, 4 cited or quoted passages. You can click on this for it to highlight what's cited or quoted. You can also come over here and look at the percentage. So 32% was flagged content, 37% is cited or quoted. You can see the web matches where the student found this information, or possibly, in this case, copy and pasted information word for word. From here, you can go back and then use SpeedGrader. In using SpeedGrader, the student's essay will load here, and then you can add in comments. You could highlight certain sentences, right, and add a comment there. You could also strike through certain areas where you might want students to remove or revise a sentence. You could also just add in a text box and start typing a comment off to the margin. Once you figure out whatever the grade is that you want to give this student, maybe a 50% here, you can add some canned comments, you can record yourself giving feedback, you can put some audio in there, even attach a file, and then submit it to. So once this loads, the student will have their grade and they can go in and see that feedback. And then you will come in here into grades and you should see that they have a 50%.